creating these rare bird videos is honestly easier than making a cup of tea. So, in today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can create videos like these without time waste. No expensive software, no complicated editing, and just one click, and your video is ready. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, I've already created a master prompt for you guys. Comment bird prompt, and I will share you prompt link. Once you have it, simply copy the entire master prompt. Now, open Claude AI or ChatGPT. I will prefer Claude this time. Once you're inside, paste the entire master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. Within seconds, Claude AI will generate 15 rare bird names for you to choose from. And if you want even more fresh ideas, just type more and it'll keep generating new ones. But for this tutorial, I'm going with this one. Now, simply copy the bird's name, paste it back into the prompt box and hit send again. Just like that. Claude AI generates a complete 10-scene storyboard prompt for your bird video. And as you can see, every single scene is designed in a perfectly structured sequence, making the storytelling feel natural from beginning to end. Now, copy the entire prompt carefully. Now, open Google Flow AI. Once you're inside, switch to image generation mode. Then, select your preferred aspect ratio as 9:16 and choose how many images you want to generate and make sure you're using the Nano Banana Pro model. Once everything is set up, paste the entire prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. Wait for a minute and your images are generated. Then, let's convert into video. Go back to Claude AI and simply type video prompt and hit send. Instantly, Claude AI will generate a complete video animation prompt for you. Once you have it, copy the entire video prompt. Return back to Google Flow AI. Let's cover this into video. Now choose any one image from these two images. I select this one. Drag image into prompt box and select the video option, then select your preferred aspect ratio as 9:16 and choose how many videos you want to generate and make sure you're using the Omni Flash video model. Paste the video prompt into the prompt box and click Generate, and there you go. As you can see, the video is generated and the final result looks absolutely amazing, smooth, cinematic, and exactly the way we wanted. Now, simply download the video in the highest resolution available. Your video is now completely ready to upload to YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Let's watch full result together. Make sure to check out my other videos. So, if you found this useful, make sure you subscribe channel HimanHub and drop a like if this helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.